Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be finishing up the Cen F450 dually truck by installing the H-Tech custom front and rear bumpers. So we're going to go ahead and jump on in this video. Okay guys, so first thing you want to do is you want to take off the bumper mount plate, which has 4 screws on each side. So let's go ahead and get that off for you guys. Bumper plate comes right off the front like that. Take your front bumper. He provides you with hardware to screw into the bumpers. You will take your 4 screws that's provided by H-Tech Custom. I don't know if you guys can see that. There you go. Take your 4 screws. In the back of the bumper, it has 4 holes. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, there you go. 4 holes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those screws will be going into these 4 holes. So let's get it installed. Take your 4 screws that you took out the sides, 2 on each side, and replace them. Now that we have our front bumper installed and mounted, let's move on to the back. Hey guys, make sure you head over to H-Tech Custom and check out his video. He also has a video of him installing these bumpers on the Cen truck as well. I will leave a link in the description at the bottom. So make sure you guys head over there and check him out. So guys, we have our rear bumper. I already have the license plates, the lights, and the tow hooks already installed. So just like the front one, guys, you want to take off the bumper mount with the 4 screws. H-Tech Custom provides you with these arms. You want to put them in the back of the bumper mount, your rear bumper, and go ahead and install it back on. Get the wires straightened out. Like so. Take your screw. Hey guys, thank you for joining me. Thank you for watching. Please hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.